Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving third problem of Striver CPP sheet, which is beautiful matrix. Let's see what this problem is saying. We have a 5 cross 5 matrix consisting of 24 zeros and a single number 1. Our goal is to make the matrix beautiful by moving the single number 1 to the center of the matrix, which is at position 3, 3, given the indexing is starting from 1, 1. We are allowed to move the one by swapping two neighbors, rows or two neighbor columns. Our task is to count the minimum number of moves required to place the one in center. Let's see how we will doing that. Let's break down the problem. First, let's identify the position of 1 in the matrix. First, we need to find the current position of the number 1 in the matrix. This will help us determine how far it is from the center. Then we will calculate the required move. Once we know the current position, we can calculate the number of row swaps and column swaps needed to move the 1 to the center position of 3, 3. Then finally we will print the result. Let's take the example. Here in example 1 is at the position 2, 5. If this is 1, if this index is 1, 1, then this is 2, 5 and our center index is 3, 3. In order to get here, we need to travel these three indexes 1, 2, 3, which includes 3 steps. We can find this or count the number of steps by subtracting the index of the 1 to the center index. Here the index of 1 is 2, 5 and the center index is 3, 3. If we subtract the rows of both, 3 minus 2 equal result in 1 and 5 minus 3 will result in 2, and if we add both the differences then it will result in 3, and we are taking absolute differences here, so we will avoid the negative values. Okay, now let's see the code. Here first we will be importing the scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Then we'll name our public class as beautiful. Then in main method string args. In main method we will be first let us declare a scanner object of scanner class, which helps to take input from our keyboard. Scanners scanner equal to new scanner system.in. Now let's declare our input matrix, or the matrix we will be taking from the user or question. Int, let's name it matrix equal to new int 5. We are taking here 5, 5 because the dimension of matrix is given in the question is 5, 5 only. Now we will be iterating through its rows and its column. and matrix ij equal to scanner dot next. This way we will take the input from the question. Now here we will iterate in the matrix. Now first in row, notice here we are starting our indexing from 0, so our center index will be going to be 2 comma 2 instead of 3 comma 3. So if matrix I j equal to 1, if it is equal to 1, then let's int steps. We will be counting steps to reach the center matrix. So steps to reach the center matrix equal to, we are taking the absolute difference between center matrix, which is 2 comma 2, minus the index of matrix I, index of matrix containing 1. So here we take the difference between row of center matrix and row of index containing 1, and here is the difference between column, sorry, tabs 2 minus j. Now let's print this result. System dot out dot print steps. Okay, let's try to submit it. Why it is taking so much time? Oh, accepted. Let's see the test cases. Here this one we have seen. Let's see here. It is in 3 comma 2 and this is 3 comma 3. So we need to traverse here one step only, which is it is in same row, so 3 minus 3 will be 0 and column will be 3 minus 2, so it will be answering 1. So here it is correct. Now it is only at center block 3 comma 3 and we are subtracting it from 3 comma 3, so it is 0. Now here it is at last index 5 comma 5 and here we need to transfer it here. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2 plus 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. One thing I need to say that the formula this we are using here, it is a Manhattan distance formula in which we take absolute value to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.